Hi there, this is Agnes, and today we can make some Feng Shui coins with paper quilling for Chinese New Year. I use the back of a quilling tool and take half strip of black. Just fold the paper strip into half and tear it. Now I have half the strip of black. Wind the paper strip around the back end of the quilling tool and apply little glue to the tip. Now roll the paper strip to make a tight ring. We can remove it off the tool and glue the end. As the tight ring is ready, I press it and make an eye shape. Rotate the eye shape and press down so the sharp ends meet. When we loosen it, a square shape is formed. Next, take half a strip of mango yellow color paper strip and wind around the square we made. We can reinforce the shape by pressing the corners. This gives a perfect two-color layer of square. Next layer is again black, but this time we can wind just 2 rounds all along the square. The goal is to have a thin black layer. The third and final layer is again going to be mango yellow color. So what I do is take 2 strips of them, glue them together, and then add these 2 strips of paper to the black layer. Wind it all around in a loose manner so that it forms a circle shape by itself. This gives the look of a coin. To secure these loose circles of paper, I apply glue over them and allow it to dry. I make 3 similar quill coins. When they are dried, we can tie them with red embroidery thread. In these quill coins, you can notice one side is shiny and the other is not. The shiny side is the one coated with glue. You can apply glue on both sides, but for now I leave it as such. Now let's move on to tying the coins. I take about 50 centimeters long embroidery thread. Fold them into half and make a small knot near the top, forming a loop. With the 2 free ends, I am going to hold the coin. Insert one free end of the thread through the square opening of the top side of the coin and insert the other free end of the thread through the same square opening but from the bottom side of the coin. This crossover of the cords will hold the coin. Now for the next coin, I again do the same. Insert the top thread through the top side opening of the second coin and insert the thread in the bottom through the bottom side of the coin. So we made another crossover of the cords. I do the same to the third quill coin as well. After adding them all, I fold the remaining cord to 3 folds and make a knot in the top. The lower end is cut with scissors and using a pet comb, I comb off the thread so that it forms a beautiful frill. And now the Feng Shui coins with the knot is done. You can use this as such as a small gift or as a wall hanging or even add them to a greeting card like this. Hope you like this quilling. Also do watch my other video on making quill Chinese lantern.